Jutai everybody. Today I am in Nana Disa and I have Adai with me. And today I am at Adai's kitchen or Adai Ajubo Dongpadu. Crab Dongpadu, Dini Jing chicken shongma. Chicken with tha. We call this tha in Graudima और वैसे इसको कोचू भी बोलते हैं. ये पूरा यूज नहीं करेंगे. We will just use little bit of it. चलो let's begin.
다시 비리낭서 비리했어. 나고 나이코나.
So Adai is going to help me with the tha lebba. Most of the villages and in the tribal households, we use this thing. We call this Aida. So I find maneuvering around it a little difficult, but Adai, the way she is using it, it's just na. 아람장 여기 부르 니실라.
이게 아람장 여기 여기라고 이게 여기가 라우하지게 방네. 이게 프라이바라 토템지장 프라이바라고.
30. bakal berapa?
라우카.
So Adai is saying that she bought this for 30 rupees.
लाउखा.
Great story. Adai has given me, देखो ये उनका organic हल्दी है. नोहाशिया बना.
हम नोशबा. मोरसाइबो.
Yes, and even the chili is organic. खाली salt ना. ये लो ब्राइबा. And this tha is also organic. It's from her garden. So Aju is saying, lebba ha, correct. When you cut it and then you have this noise, ऐसे होने से it आराम से पक जाता है. Yeah, the karai is all heated up. Let's add. Now let's add the chicken. So we'll cook the chicken for another 10 minutes and then we'll come back again. So now we'll let it just cook by itself. Wow, look at Adai, how she's using the Aida. ना आंखों में मिर्ची चला गया सो आदि बोल रहा है कि शेम खाओ शेम इज चिली है ना शेम इज सॉल्ट तो देखता लेट्स वेट आई थिंक थोड़ा वो बर्निंग सेंसेशन थोड़ा कम हुआ वो एकदम रियो या बड़े किचा कम जादू
yung naring magainang
wow so I just learned the chili flake went inside my eyes and it was causing irritation so I suggested I go and wash my face and somebody suggested that I eat salt and it actually is working ham kha pura
ham do
masters ne so actually it is very true they are like the teachers of the traditional knowledge
hakara dong bai laban naki kleida hamnang sabai labla
crab jadin upai dong la do na no lai ha
dong la do
so we'll add the ginger and garlic so Ada is suggesting tha ko yoba karne ke liye it will cook easily so Ada is saying था हरे बाखोर शेंगा थाउडाओ था में जब ये कोचू का सब्जी बनाते हैं if we add culantro which is नागा धनिया बोलते हैं that goes very well with it complements था it complements कोचू so now we'll add the water so now we have added the water and we will let it cook on its own for another 10-15 minutes
minka dode
Minka means pagya and look at the tha come okay now we garnish it with culantro ada ike bede dihon ma
laijang son no
laijang dihon ma
laijang
so our chicken curry with tha kochu is ready right
do anjana
dai so we call this process dihonba what do you call it in your language do let me know
तो अभी यहाँ हम लोग का चिकन विद था वो हो गया है पहले जो घर का बड़ा है सीनियर लोग है वो लोग को पहले हम लोग को ये खिलाई देता है ठोका अच्छा अदाई ठोका
शैम्पू पराबिया मोरसे बोली छाया ठोका
अप्रूवल मिल गया रूही
लेकिन शेम तो हम थोड़ा कम दिया है सॉल्ट
Orang kisah, orang pan orang ni.